My greatest areas of expertise are in employment disputes and business disputes. I'm licensed in 4 states, Florida, Illinois, New York, and Tennessee, and I have represented clients for over 30 years in courts from the U.S. Supreme Court, numerous appellate courts, and state and federal courts around the nation. Florida has over 100,000 lawyers, but only a few hundred of us are board certified as experts. I am board certified in 2 subject matter areas, employment law and business litigation, and that's where I serve as an arbitrator. I'm committed to making sure that arbitration is economical. Having litigated in the courts for over 30 years, I understand how wasteful and inefficient court litigation can be. I avoid this by careful scheduling, making sure that discovery is tailored to the needs of the case and nothing more, and making myself available formally on short notice to resolve discovery disputes and case management issues early and without the expense and delay of written motions. I want every case to be resolved on the merits and with the full truth emerging. This does not mean wide open discovery at all. Discovery proportionate to the issues and the case is the key. My experience and expertise helps me identify what's important in the cases I preside over. I spend a lot of time in the initial case management conference discussing the issues and what discovery is needed to address those issues and only those issues. I also direct the parties to refrain from discovery motions. Rather, I make myself available for telephone conferences on short notice to resolve issues early. I have over 30 years' experience representing clients in business disputes and employment disputes in courts all over the country. Not only where I'm licensed, but in other states too. I spent most of my career in large firms, but I was raised by a sole practitioner who believed it was important to try cases for both sides. I agree with that. So I have represented both plaintiffs and defendants. I think that gives me a balanced perspective, not biased towards either side. My commitment is to the rule of law, and I work hard to give the parties the in-depth and accurate analysis of the law that applies to their case, exactly what I always wanted from my clients.